Well, here we are at Schomberg. Schomberg is always a good mix-up of cars, and this year they've changed the rules quite a bit. And if I like them or not, it's not really up to me, but they've changed them. So what they're allowing now is square tubing and quite a bit more threaded rod. So this year's full size. It's been a while since I've seen one of these Cadillacs run. I'm actually quite excited to see this thing run. We got ourselves a Corolla. Look at that, repping Zacks Motorsports. Zacks Workshop on it. Mom's Motorsports. Got a Mazda 3 over here. It's been a while since. Look at the size of the rims on the back of this thing. Those are huge. So now we have with this Nissan Altima. Back end already looks a little bit messed up, but it's here. Full size, I believe. Yep. Got another Camry. Camrys are getting super common. V6 Malibu. Hi, Troy.
What's going on, buddy?
Hey, guys. A Hyundai Wagon. Elantra.
Well, hello, Zach, YouTube.
Hi, River. Interesting to see how this thing does. He's got a set of home-built headers on it. Nice square tubing bumper. Another Corolla. This one here looks like a very nice, well-built Corolla. Very nice, clean build. We got another Lexus. You can tell it's a Lexus because it doesn't have the upper door jambs. Camry, 4-cylinder. Ooh, she's been around the block a bit, but she's still here. Camry wagon. Ooh. What do we got coming in here? Another Malibu coming in there. V6 Camry wagon. I think this is going to be full size today. Thank you. We got another GM here. Is this a front wheel drive Tornado or Buick of some sort? Don't see too many of these up here anymore. Full size GM over here.
I was welding on the car.
Nice paint job on it at one point in time. Team Jeffrey. Just married. Looks like it's still pretty good. Hasn't got destroyed or anything. We got some more just driving in, so that's pretty cool. Bone stock Sunfire. Honda Accord, 4-bolt, so you know it's a 4-cylinder. We got ourselves another Lumina here. This thing looks super clean. Nice build. We got all the LBR guys here again. Some fresh Camrys. Some very well built cars that LBR makes. You guys remember them from the last video. They turned out pretty good down in Dresden. So they're here to try to double down, I guess, today.
There will be a driver's meeting. That's
four
right,
LBR Camrys.
Behind the ambulance.
Got ourselves a Taurus over here. Looks good to go. Got ourselves another Lumina.
How's it going, Zach?
We have ourselves another Taurus here. This thing here is bone stock. Gas tank ratchet strapped in it. Rents on the key.
Whose car is this?
Rad support removed.
No, it's Chris right there. That's mine.
Got ourselves a VW.
No cage, no door plate, nothing.
Kind of weird setup for the bumper, but very well built Luminas here. Here's the car I'll be running today. You guys remember this? This was my Rockton car last year. Another Lumina. 4-cylinder Solera. And a 2-door Toyota Camry. So that's the lineup here today. There might be some still outside the grounds that I haven't seen, but that's the amount of cars we have here. So hopefully it's going to be a good derby. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.